welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how I got my nails filled, and I wanted to do something totally different this time around. I wanted something more girly. I wanted some hand designs. I knew I wanted a clear nail for sure and some more bling. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys all of that. So the first step was to file down the old acrylic designs and create a fresh new base, and I really enjoyed that she was able to do this and that I didn't need a new set, so I really appreciated that. And within the 3 weeks of my first set, I only broke one nail, which was my middle fingernail. So we went ahead and just decided to make that one the clear nail because it was already broken. To achieve the black netting design in the nail, she placed the net down first and then applied clear acrylic on top. For the rest of the nails, she placed the nude baby pink acrylic on the nails. After the clear nail was set, the nail form and the netting was removed and trimmed. To get the crisp shape I love, she used an electric filer. For the middle designs, she used acrylic paint and she patiently freehand all the floral designs, you guys. They are so pretty. She made sure each stroke had dried completely before moving on to the next layer, so that way it created some details and depth, and it really pulled the flower together and made it look really realistic and almost like true to life, 3D kinda. And this really allowed the design to come together while she was creating those details.
That's good.
She also went ahead and put some black swirls on my pinky finger, and I think those are really cute too. They tie in with the design as well with the black on the middle clear finger. I just love it. to complete the look, I added 5 crystal gems on each hand, and I know that sounds a little excessive, but oh my gosh, you guys, I think the placement of them is so pretty and delicate, and I love the way my nails turned out. Let me know down in the comment section below how you guys like my nails, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.